So right here, it was saying negative 40 degrees Celsius for the ambient air. Now that's wildly inaccurate. I also scanned this thing with a scan tool, and it told me that the ambient air sensor was short-circuited open. So I'm gonna have to fix the sensor. Don't freak out. Let's talk about what we did. Don't freak out. Okay, don't freak out. There's a little plastic clip right there in this hole. There's a bolt, another bolt, a bolt, a bolt, and another plastic clip, and that's it. And the whole thing basically slides up. Okay, so that's out. Now here's our problem. Right here. All right, this vehicle is a salvage. I fixed it. I got it certified. We just missed this little thing. That right there is an ambient temperature sensor. This is a new one. They're like $7. This ambient temperature sensor tells the computer what the temperature is outside. Now, the computer on the dash, as you saw, was reading 40 degrees below 0 Celsius. So, we've attached the sensor. Now we're gonna mount the sensor. I zipped it to this line right in here, and I set it up so if the zip breaks, it's still gonna stay up there. It's just gonna lean on that wire. So, because you don't want it falling on the AC unit or the radiator, because it'll give you way crazy temperatures. You're supposed to take this thing and drive it at highway speeds for 2 minutes, and then that sensor right there will recalibrate itself. I'm currently going 80 kilometers an hour, and as you can see, it is calibrating itself. There you have it. We are back in my driveway, and 21 degrees Celsius. The temperature calibration has occurred. So that's how you fix your temperature sensor. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, hit the channel. See you next time. Ciao. Subscribe, hit the bell thing, ring ding a ling ding. See you next time.